Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, let's talk about something we all need in our beauty routines: hydration. And no, I'm not talking about your typical lotion. We're diving into Palmer's Vitamin E Multi-Purpose Body Oil. This lightweight, nourishing oil promises to tackle dry, cracked skin, uneven tone, and even chafing. So, how does it hold up in real life? Let's find out. Palmer's Vitamin E Body Oil combines some of the best natural ingredients, starting with vitamin E, cocoa butter, and a blend of botanicals. This oil is designed to absorb quickly, locking in moisture for up to 24 hours. If you've got skin that feels parched or you're dealing with areas prone to dryness or irritation, this body oil might just be your new go-to. It's hypoallergenic, so sensitive skin types can use it without worry. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and here's what I've noticed. The oil is incredibly lightweight, which is great because it absorbs fast without leaving you feeling greasy. I've used it both after showering and as a quick skin refresher throughout the day. My skin feels soft, hydrated, and honestly, it just looks healthier. The fragrance is mild, which I really appreciate. There's no overpowering scent, so it won't compete with your perfume or other products. Let's talk about the real-world experience. I applied it to my elbows, knees, and anywhere I tend to get dry spots, and I noticed the improvement almost immediately. It feels soothing and nourishing, and the best part is that it doesn't leave a heavy residue behind. This is a perfect pick if you're someone who hates waiting around for your body oil to soak in. It also helped with minor skin irritation from shaving, which is a nice bonus. Now, every product has its strengths and weaknesses, and Palmer's Vitamin E Body Oil is no different. Let's start with the pros. The texture is lightweight, the ingredients are all natural, and it gives long-lasting moisture without being greasy. Plus, the bottle is easy to use with its spray nozzle, so you can apply it without making a mess. On the flip side, it does take a bit of time to fully absorb in certain areas if you're applying too much, so be mindful of how much you use. In terms of value, this body oil is definitely worth the price, especially considering the high-quality ingredients. Palmer's is known for using sustainably sourced ingredients like shea butter and cocoa butter, so you're getting a product that not only hydrates, but also supports eco-friendly practices. If you're looking for alternatives, you might consider oils like Neutrogena's body oil or bio oil, which are similarly formulated, but come at a different price point. Palmer's is more affordable and definitely more focused on natural ingredients. So if that's important to you, this might be the better choice. As for the build quality, the packaging is simple yet functional. It's a spray bottle, which makes it easy to apply, but I would love to see a larger size available for those who use it daily. But as it is, the 5.1-ounce bottle lasts a decent amount of time. In terms of customer support, Palmer's has always had a solid reputation for responding quickly to customer inquiries, which is great if you're ever in need of assistance. To wrap it up, Palmer's Vitamin E Multi-Purpose Body Oil definitely lives up to its claims. It's a solid moisturizer that works well for dry, damaged skin and leaves you feeling soft and nourished. If you're looking for a lightweight, natural body oil that delivers real results, I'd say this is worth trying. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.